Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm sorry that I've been away, but I'm back today with a really cool tutorial for you guys. So we're going from house girl straight to Barbie girl, and we're using my absolute fave foundation by Fenty Beauty. I'm going to write the color down for you guys. I'm pretty sure that it's 440, but I'm going to write the color down for you guys in the description just in case I'm not correct. I'm blending it out with one of my favorite MAC brushes as well, and of course you guys know me, I'm always using an oil on my skin because it is super dry and I love a look that is super dewy. So we're just going to buff that away until we've got a flawless finish, topping it up with my Studio Fix powder in NW50 just to seal everything in and to make sure that my skin is matte in the places that I need it, which is mainly my nose and my forehead, but a little bit of oil is not a problem. We've got Studio Finish Concealer in NW45. That's going to go straight under my eyes and around my mouth area. I feel like it's really important because I don't want my under eye to look like really nice and smooth and bright, and then my mouth just looks kind of weird. So just pasting that on, literally pasting it on. I just love the look, you know, just loves makeup. Just looks like chocolate. Yes, honey. See all that chocolate goodness. Oh god, I hate doing voiceovers. I just end up talking so much. But I'm not about to record this for the second time. What we got next? Anastasia Beverly Hills eyebrows. Product for eyebrows, guys. So I'm so sorry. Sometimes when I'm showing the product to the camera, it didn't actually pick it up, but that's absolutely fine because you will have everything in the description. I love to brush my brows through before I actually fill them in, so I can, you know, really see the shape that I'm going for today. I haven't showed you guys how I actually filled in my eyebrows, but I will do that in another video for you guys. I usually use this palette. That's probably what I use most times when I wear makeup. And in terms of the eyeshadow, what I'm doing is really self-explanatory. It's just a really light shadow for me today, but something really nice and smoky. I felt like I wanted to create a bit of depth in the eyes, and I never go for anything too dark, and I never ever go for anything at the bottom either, but we're going to switch that up today. This is one of my favorite nude smoky eyes. I really love this look, and I hope you guys do too. Again, guys, these are my staple products and my everyday products, but we just switched a little bit more interesting. I'm getting out of my comfort zone bit by bit, but it's gonna take me some time. I'm gonna grab some new eyeshadow palettes as well, some with a lot more colour to them, so we can do some really cool looks in here for you guys, and we can see some black sisters with colour, because I know there are some girls repping themselves on YouTube and Instagram and stuff like that. So let's try and make this work. We want to make colour look wearable. I'm feeling like a green eye look next to something blue. I'm almost done. Yes, honey. I just love how this look came out, you know. I really love it. I love this. The blushes just goes on so perfect. Guys, I will list absolutely everything that I've used in this look for you underneath the video. Please check out my Instagram as well. You'll find a short version of this, some more videos, and if you want to know a little bit about me or see some pictures of me, check out my Instagram as well. You'll find everything over there at Leah Tamara. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope it's been good to you. I hope it's been beneficial. I hope you can pick something up from it. If you can't, thanks for watching anyway. Guys, I am absolutely the worst person when it comes to putting on frontals. I think this is probably the second or third time that I've worn mine, and I could not put it on properly, but I gave up because you guys are so kind and I knew you weren't going to kill me for making my frontal look crazy and rubbish. But here we are, guys. Thank you so much for watching. As usual, like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you again soon.